Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are making 3 gorgeous and beautiful DIYs for winter decoration using napkins. For first DIY, I am tracing this small house on top of this black foam board that I got from Dollar Tree. I need 4 of these houses, around 3 inches tall. I'm making sure that I have this cutting mat underneath. Go ahead and grab my X-Acto knife and cut out this foam shape. Trace 3 other houses on top of this foam board to get 4 small houses the same size that I need for this first project. Et voila! So today's video, it's another part of the napkin exchange challenge, where a group of crafters exchange some kind of napkins to create some home decor DIYs. So this collab is hosted by Sarah at Sunflowers and DIYing, and the co-host of this month is my friend Christine at DIY Craftaholic. These 2 ladies are very talented. You can check out the links in my description box below, as well as the playlist where you're gonna enjoy watching other ladies or other crafters making incredible DIYs, making or using napkins. So I received my package or my napkins from Jay at the Creative Flamingo channel, and I sent mine to Gwen at Home with Gigi channel. So don't forget to check out these amazing crafters channels in my description box below, as well as the rest of the playlist, and I am sure that we'll enjoy watching their videos to get inspired. So let's see what I get from Jay. All these goodies. Oh, thank you so much. And these beautiful napkins. I love all of them. I'm gonna use them for sure. So we're gonna cut for each napkin a piece to cover each house. So I'm gonna need 4 napkins for my 4 small houses. So I'm taking the layers for each piece of napkin to cover each house. I'm using the Mod Podge to stick this piece of napkin on top of this house, all around for each house. Voila, each napkin. So I'm grabbing this parchment paper and lay it on top of this napkin. I'm using my mini iron and I go ahead and smooth this out. It helps that napkin stick on top of this small house. I just have to hold this iron for a few seconds, and voila, for each house. And I'm adding some Mod Podge all around to cover all the house with this napkin. Voila, I have 4 houses now. I need this planner calendar that I got from Dollar Tree. Adding a coat of Mod Podge on top to press this scrapbook paper. Voila, press this paper on top with this craft ruler, and this parchment paper with my iron to help this paper stick well on top of this calendar. So I'm giving a coat of clear Waverly wax on top of this scrapbook paper, so it will be nice and sealed. I'm grabbing my 4 small houses, and I need this silver thin ribbon to give sparkling style to these houses. So I'm wrapping this house in the center, and this pearl lace all around this house to give shiny look. I add this tiny bell on the middle, and I cut a piece of this snowflake to add it with this bell for each house, and making same decoration. Voila, these silver stickers, I add them on top of each house to spell the word home. but I see that you cannot see them, so I add some Mod Podge. I trace them with Mod Podge, and I add this white glitter, so to see them better, or to have a sparkly look for these 4 houses. So now you can see this layer better with this shiny look. I need 2 of these painter sticks into my sign, so I paint them with my white chalk paint after it's dry. So I'm adding these pearl stickers that I got from Dollar Tree to make decoration on these borders. 2 borders, one on top of the sign and another one on the bottom. So I'm gonna add in white chalk paint on top of these stickers and these small snowflakes. I painted these wooden beads too. I need them for the hanger to hang this sign. Applying wood glue and hot glue to stick these 2 sticks or 2 paint sticks, one on top, one bottom, to make a beautiful sign. Voila! I'm holding these sticks with these clamps. Now I have these 4 houses and this beautiful snowflake that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm hot gluing these houses, and I'm taking off the back of this snowflake to glue it on top of this sign with my hot glue. I'm making a bow with these 2 ribbons, buffalo check and this silver ribbon, to make cute or simple ribbon on this corner. I'm hot gluing this bow and hold it with this clamp. Now I need a hanger for this project, so I need this twine and these red and white wooden beads to make a hanger to hang this beautiful winter project into my wall. What do you think, guys, about this project? I like it. What about you? Let me know in your comment below. Before to jump to the second DIY, stay to the end of this video because we have more beautiful projects to watch. For this second project, I have been using this frame that we got from Dollar Tree. I'm removing the backing to cover it with this scrapbook paper. I'm applying a coat of Mod Podge on the backing to cover it with this scrapbook paper, and putting back the frame on top of this backing. Voila, voila. Now with this ornament, ball ornament, I'm cutting this ornament in half. So I need half circle of this ornament. Cut it with scissors. Then a piece of this napkin. I'm covering this half ornament. After removing the first layer, applying Mod Podge first and cover this half ornament with this napkin. Now with this pearl lace, I'm adding some decoration on top of this ornament. So I'm making 4 lines with this pearl lace to give a shiny look into my project. Voila, voila. I'm hot gluing that half ornament on the bottom of this frame, adding a small or tiny bow on top, like small vase, as you see. Look at this beautiful wreath that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna add this wreath decoration on top of this small vase. I'm cutting some pieces from this fern that I got from Dollar Tree. It's like some leaves, glossy leaves all around. Now with these transfers, I want to spread the word hello. I'm gonna apply these layers on top of this frame. Hello. Voila, almost done. Not yet. I need a coat of this clear overlay wax to protect this paper and the napkin. So I'm dabbing with using this sponge brush all around. And now look how it turned out. It's cute and simple. You can make it by yourself. Let me know in your comment below if you like it too. And now let's jump to the third DIY. For this last project, I have been using this beautiful napkin with this frame that I got from Dollar Tree. I am removing this backing, so I want to cover it, but I want white color shows through the napkin, so I add this this paper, the white paper, on top of this backing. Glue it with Mod Podge and press it with this craft ruler. Now I'm removing the first layer or the layer from this napkin and placing this napkin on top of a Mod Podge. Then press it down nice and firm using this parchment paper and this mini iron. Flat it as possible to avoid the air bubbles. Another piece of this napkin, I want to add it on top of this canvas that I have in my stash. So I cut a piece of this canvas, same size as this piece of napkin, removing the layers and glue it with Mod Podge on top of this canvas. I'm pressing my napkin directly on top of this Mod Podge and press it down nice and firm using this parchment paper and this mini iron to avoid air bubbles. Just screw these pieces that I made out of my way for a few minutes to make another piece. So I get another piece of this napkin and another piece of this white poster. Some Mod Podge in this piece. I'm placing this napkin on top of the Mod Podge and running my mini iron just over the image using this parchment paper. Now I'm cutting this flower using my scissors. So I want the shape of this flower. I want a hard piece. That's why I used the poster. I want to add 3D look to this napkin, so that's why I have this piece of flower on top of the image. I have these stickers or leaves stickers that I got on Dollar Tree. I'm adding more details to my project. I have this fern too, cut in pieces, so it looks like frosty leaves. And this bird, I'm using these markers to color this bird, so I'm using different colors. And I have this piece from my ribbon. I look around, I need something round, so I cut piece to cover it with raffia to make a swing for my bird. So this raffia I just wrap it all around to cover all this circle. I'm adding more decoration. I have these frosty berries, these red berries, these frosty leaves, and this ring covered with raffia. Adding these berries and this bird on top of this ring. Now I'm adding my canvas piece covered with this napkin in the corner or on the left side. I'm placing this ribbon on the 3 sides using my hot glue. Voila. I'm rolling this piece of canvas as cylinder. I'm adding the hard piece of flower on top of the canvas and this ring with birds that I decorate earlier. More details. Oh, so cute. More frosty leaves. I love it. Now I'm placing this frame with this beautiful piece that I made. I see this cylinder or this piece of canvas is empty inside, so to make it stand, I put some stuffing inside to make it stand firm, so it helps with the stuffing like that. And almost done with this beautiful project, so I have this wooden beads to make a hanger. So I'm gluing in the back using hot glue and attach it with this popsicle stick. I'm adding some dots on my design using white paint to look like snow. Voila, 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 my beautiful project. I hang it on my wall. What do you think, everyone? I love it. It's gorgeous. I hope you like it too, and let me know in your comment below which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching this video, for all your likes, for all your comments. And see you soon at Demain. Tomorrow we're gonna have another collaboration. Bye!